Welcome to Oceanivar. This video is going to show us how to create trending AI images that can be used on social media platforms. Let us begin. To start, open a web browser. In the search prompt, search for Bing AI Images. We want to select or type the Bing AI Images Creator for this exercise. Click or select on Image Creator from Microsoft Designer Bing. This would take you to the Bing Image Creator page. On there, create an account if this is your first time or sign in. Just for this illustration, in the prompt box, we'll ask it to create an image of Zeus. Then, click on the Create icon. It is creating the image for us. This may take a few minutes to complete. The image creation is now completed. As you can see, it creates a few variations of the image. Select the image that you like. You have the option to share the created image. But for this illustration, we'll be downloading the image to the local drive. Open the folder where the generated image was downloaded into. Click on the downloaded file to view. Remember to like, share, and follow. See you in the next video.